Good morning, everyone. I had a little bit of a problem with some of my footage. For some reason, the audio was really like, I don't know what the word is, but when I would play it back, it would sound like I was underwater and you could hear all this like crinkling in the background. I don't know what was wrong with it, but I got it fixed now. So I did lose out on some of that footage, but basically to catch you guys up, last week Zach and I were apartment hunting. We actually looked at some trailers first. I will show you guys a few little clips right now. The other one that had lots of storage was like that too though.
This is the cheapest one, but it's only cheaper by like $1,000. I really like this one, I just feel like it has too many downsides. And the bathroom space is not that much as far as counters. Just gonna stand in the shower real quick. I mean, yeah, I fit definitely better than the other ones. And if we're just like rinsing off or something.
Yeah.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah. Just sending it to my mom.
I was gonna say something I probably shouldn't. See, this is perfect, dude. But with recliners right here, this one is like the best one to me.
I like this one because it has so much storage too. More storage.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, the storage is a big deal to me.
So we looked at those trailers and we really wanted one because housing here in Eugene is super hard to find because there's so many students everywhere. So most of everything is either one, really expensive for like a house, or all of the apartments they lease like by the room instead of by like the whole unit. So we could not find a 2-bedroom or even a 1-bedroom that would be just us that we could afford, but we finally found a place and I'm in it right now. I'm going to show you guys a empty house tour when we got the keys the other day. Here is our new place. We got a nice big living room, and then like kitchen is over here. The like dining area is kind of small, so I don't know what we're gonna do about it yet. Maybe try to find like an island with a leaf so we can have bar stools right here. So I'm not a fan of these cabinets, but that's okay. Everything else is still really nice. And we have a little deck. Our bathroom. And then go down the hallway. There's a closet here for a washer and dryer, but they have laundry on site too. So we're probably not gonna get one for a little bit. And then here is probably gonna be our guest room. So a nice big closet. And then there's a nice big backyard back here. Well, the other people's backyard. And then here is our bedroom. So we have 2 nice big closets, well, connected. And that's about it. It's little, but it's all our own. And I'm so excited. And I can't wait to start moving some stuff in.
It's way bigger than where we're at now.
Yeah.
Not that little.
Are you ready to move stuff in?
No.
What?
Yeah.
We're staying here tonight.
I know, but it's so warm in here.
I know. So we've had the keys for about a week now. I'll give you guys a little update. We don't have any furniture right now and the house is a mess. Living room is actually pretty clean. We need to like clean up this. We were playing chess earlier. I've got this bookshelf set up now. Zachary's got me some yummy food. With all of my books, surprisingly, pretty much all of them fit on here. I have like some of my ones that aren't so pretty in here. And then our TV's just sitting on the floor. This is the only furniture we have. And then our room is a disaster because we were sorting through clothes earlier. We need to put the shoes away, hang these up, fold these. We don't have any furniture, so this is an air mattress. We don't have a dresser, and I filled up all of my clothes and the only hanging things we have, so Zach doesn't know what to do with his. But we should be getting furniture soon. And then our office, I'm so excited about this. I actually have an office, so we're probably going to get a futon or a pull-out couch to put here. And then we just got this desk today. The back is kind of ugly, so I might try to get contact paper to put on it. But if you guys have any ideas of what I could do to, like, spruce it up, let me know. So this desk was $10, which is such an awesome deal. It's like really nice inside. And Zach got this chair from the same guy for $10, so he's got his little gaming setup going on. And then this chair, I'm so excited about it. The lighting's kind of bad in here right now. It was free on Craigslist, so we went and picked it up. And I'm so excited about it. This is like kind of ugly, you know, but I want to like reupholster it, put a different fabric on it eventually, but that's not a priority right now. And it's like in perfect condition. Like it wasn't dirty at all. It doesn't like feel gross or anything. It's a little worn, but I like it. It's cool. And yeah. So yeah, basically everything is just a mess right now. My dad's gonna come up this week, so hopefully we can get it a little bit more situated with some more furniture. But yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to update you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.